Welcome back to my class. This is White Math Online. Today we are asked to solve this math, and without wasting too much of our time, the best way to solve this kind of mathematics is to start from the innermost square root. And the innermost square root here is square root of 49 and also the square root of 10,000. But we're going to start from this part because this is a long one. We start from this part, then we can go into this. But we can solve along the two of them because this is a multiplication. So let's start from the innermost square root. So we look at the square root of 49 is 7. So definitely we're going to be writing out the square root one after the other until they get solved. So in this way, we have 5 plus the square root of 11 plus square root of 19 plus square root of 29. Square root of 49 is going to give us 7. So we put this one in it. We can solve along. Let's continue solving along. So we can solve along. This can be solved along. So we have the square root of 4 plus square root of 44 plus, if you look at it, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it's 4 zeros. Then if you find this, what is the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is 2. So that means that if I say 10 raised to the power 4, the square root of that is going to give us 10 raised to the power 2. So in that way, everything we have here is going to give us 100 because the square root of 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to give us 2. So we have 100. So we continue. Here again, we have the square root of 5 plus square root of 11 plus square root of 19 plus square root of 36, because 29 plus 7 is going to give 36. We continue. So we have these as 4 plus the square root of 44 plus 100 will give 144. Fine. So we continue. As usual, we have the square root of 5 plus the square root of 11 plus the square root of 19, and the square root of 36 will give 6. So this will give plus 6 into bracket. The square root of 4 plus square root of 144 will give 12. Fine. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove that. So this will now equal to, we continue, the square root of 5 plus the square root of 11 plus the square root of 25. That's what we're going to have here. From here to here, 19 plus 6 to give the square root of 25. So we continue. Then this is going to give us the square root of 4 plus 12, 16. 4 plus 12, 16. That is almost done. Then we continue as the square root of 5 plus square root of 11 plus, we all know that the square root of 25 is going to give us 5. So this one is 5. And we know that the square root of 16 is going to give us 4. So this is almost done. Then we continue. So this is going to give us the square root of 5 plus the square root of 16 multiplied by 4. And this is going to give us again the square root of 5 plus the square root of 16 is going to give us 4. So we have this one also, bracket that. So if we add this together, we have the square root of 5 plus 4 to give 9. Everything now into this. So our answer to that is the square root of 9 is going to give 3 times this times 4. So the answer to that is going to give us 12. So the answer to the question is 12. I'm pretty sure we are all on the same page on this. If you see a question like that, the first thing to think about is to go into the innermost square root, then start from there and see what happened. If you have watched this video to this end, please kindly subscribe to my channel. In that way, whenever any of my videos is uploaded, you can be notified and you can learn from that. This is White Smart Online, where we get the best. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.